Good morning, Wes. I'm Lori at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. I'd like to thank you for your internet inquiry on the all-new 2015 Sonata Sport. This one is a shale gray metallic. I'd like you to come in and take a closer look. You've got projector headlights, LED lights, LEDs in your turn signal for your mirrors, 17-inch alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, and locking brakes. Take a look inside. Plenty of room for 5-passenger seating. The Sonata is now classified as a full-size sedan because of its larger size. You'll notice the all-new dash layout for 2015. You've got, with this sport package, you get the backup camera, XM, FM, and your CD player. You've got hands-free Bluetooth. You can push to talk for commands to tell it to tune to your radio station, call home, or even ask for directions through your Hyundai guidance package. You've got Blue Link, so you've got a live operator for emergency services or roadside assistance at the touch of a button. You can call 911 emergency services. This works on satellite, cell signal not even required. This model also comes standard with heated seats. It is absolutely loaded out. You also get a power seat with height control and lumbar. Couple all of this together, we've got some incredible savings right now. 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty. You get 10-year, 100,000 miles on your powertrain. But when you buy from Tameron, we're going to double that to 20 years or 200,000 miles. That warranty is good nationwide, not only just at Tameron. Come on in. I'm Lori Muir. My number is 380-6250. I look forward to hearing from you soon, Wes. Have a great day.